Teacher ka ba na pagod na sa paggawa ng slides gabi-gabi? Or maybe you're a parent na gustong tulungan ang anak mo, pero hindi mo alam kung paano sisimulan ang lesson. Or ikaw naman ay student na gusto ng mas madaling paraan para mag-review. What if I tell you that there are ready-to-use PowerPoint lessons that can help make teaching and learning much easier? Stay tuned because I'm about to share something that can really help you. Hello ka-study buddies! Welcome back to the channel. If you enjoyed the lessons on this channel, I have good news for you. The ready-to-use PowerPoint teaching slides is now available, and it is designed to support teachers, parents, and students in learning the topic more clearly. Even better, all lessons are based on the revised K-12 curriculum and trimester ready, so the content is aligned with what students are expected to learn in school. Alam naman natin na time-consuming talaga ang paggawa ng teaching materials. Teachers spend hours creating slides. Parents sometimes struggle explaining lessons. Students need clear materials for review. That's why these complete lesson presentations were created. The goal is simple: to make learning organized, accessible, and easier to understand. Each lesson presentation follows the flow of the actual lesson and is designed to help learners understand the topic step by step. And since the lessons are aligned with the revised K-12 curriculum, you can be confident that the content is relevant and appropriate for students. Now let's talk about what you will actually get. So instead of preparing everything from scratch, here's what's included in every lesson package. Aligned with the revised K-12 curriculum. Sigurado na ang lessons ay nakabase sa competencies na dapat matutuhan ng mga bata. Includes Learning Activity Sheets or LAS. May kasamang activities na makakatulong para ma-practice at mas maintindihan ng students ang lesson. Teacher-made and classroom ready. Hindi mo na kailangang gumawa pa from scratch. Ready na itong gamitin sa classroom or even for home learning. Clear explanations with engaging visuals. Mas madaling maintindihan ang lesson dahil sa malinaw na pagpapaliwanag at visuals na nakakaengganyo sa mga learners. So instead of spending hours preparing, you already have a complete, organized, and ready-to-use set of learning materials. Another great feature of these materials is that they are organized by trimester. You can get PowerPoint presentations per subject by trimester, or PowerPoint presentations for all subjects in one trimester. This means teachers can easily follow the lesson sequence throughout the school term. Instead of searching for different materials every week, you already have organized lessons ready to use. This makes lesson preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. These lesson materials are designed for teachers who want to save time and have ready-to-use presentations, parents who want to guide their children during study time at home, and of course, students who need clear and organized materials for reviewing lessons. With these resources, learning becomes more structured, interactive, and easier to understand. If you want to get these complete lesson PowerPoint presentations, you can find the link in the description of this video. By getting these materials, you are also supporting this channel in creating more educational lessons and resources for teachers, parents, and students. Get your copy now. Just check the link in the description of this video.